Sa falls guys. Ayan, at summer ngayon guys. Naliligo tayo sa falls. Ayan. Ito guys oh. Nandito tayo sa falls. Ayan. Sarap guys. So tara guys, let's go. Samahan niyo ako guys at maliligo na tayo guys. Ayan. So ang ating falls pala na to guys ay may magic water guys. At panoorin nyo guys ang kanyang magic water guys ha. Sarap guys. Ang ating water na ito guys na falls ay tinatawag na magic water green guys. Ayan. Hey guys, ligo tayo guys. Ayan, summer guys. Yeah. Sarap guys, sarap. So ayan guys ang ating magic water guys. Tingnan nyo ng maigi guys. At maganda ang ating magic water guys. Yeah. Yeah, ligo tayo guys. Sa People's Falls. Ayan, sarap talaga maligo. Summer guys. Sarap guys. Ayan guys oh. Kita nyo guys yung ating magic water guys. Tayo sa ating magic falls. Ayan. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.